Hello, are you looking for a very low maintenance, very low water use plant for your landscape? That's what this video is about. I'm doing a video on the Red Yucca plant. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. The Red Yucca plant is a member of the century plant family. It's native to the Texas and Northeastern Mexico. It's very tough. It's a drought-tolerant plant that produces showy, reddish coral blooms. And it's usually from spring to the summer months. It's one of the best performing landscape succulents for our Arizona climate. It gets to be about the average between 3 to 5 feet in size, like just in height and width. And it doesn't have any spikes or thorns, so there's not going to really hurt you like some of the other succulents or cactus that are out in our climate here, our environment. The blooming begins in the early summer and it's green all year long. This plant, it's completely evergreen. It grows best under full sun, but it can tolerate extreme cold, as cold as freezing temperatures. It really doesn't take a frost. That's what's great about this plant. They're also just gifted being able to survive droughts. The red yucca skins on the leaves are thick and waxy for a specific reason. And this combination features the plant to store water without losing it through evaporation, which is really why it's just so drought tolerant. Succulent, with succulents you run the risk of overwatering plants, so you don't need to water this too heavily at all. It just wants to receive about 1 to 2 gallons of water a month. In the winter months, you don't have to water it really at all. It's just a really hardy plant. It thrives really well in well-drained soil, but does best in sandy soils. That's what it's really ideal for. It's not prone to many diseases or pests, but it is toxic to cats and dogs. It'll can make them vomit. So you want to keep this probably out of a backyard. It's, for maintenance wise, these things are great. You really don't require any trimming. You occasionally cut the blooms off because the red blooms will grow and then they'll die. You want to cut those off because they're just not nice to look at. But as they start to get really large, as they get mature, there's really no trimming them with a hedge trimmer. What you do is you just decrease the size of the plant because it kind of just regrows and reroots and just gets larger. And what you do is you just remove from the perimeter of the plant, you just remove some of them to decrease the size of the plant. That's how we maintain the shrub here in our desert Arizona climate. So if you have any other questions, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. Check out our website at azlawns.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. Also check us out on Instagram and Twitter at AZLawns. Make it a great day.